Let's see the question of probability. And we have two events A and B. And looking at the question, this can be best solved using a Venn diagram. So let me draw this real quick. You have this circle represents A, and this entire circle represents B. Okay. Now we already know that probability of A is 0.62. Now what that means is this entire area, entire thing inside that circle A is having a probability of 0.62. Let me undo that now. And A intersection B is 0.18. So this small area here is 0.18. So this is given to us. We want to find out what is the probability of A intersection B dash. Now I want you to understand that when I say intersection, it simply means and, the English word and, right? So I want what is the probability of A and B dash is not B. A and not B. It should be A, but it should not be B. A and not B is clearly this area, right? That is A, but that's not B because this area is B as well as A. I hope you get the point. So we want to find out this area. Okay, we already know the whole of A is 0.62. And now if you know that this area is 0.18. So if you want to find this, it has to be 0.62 minus 0.18. So this answer is going to be 0.62, that is whole of A, minus the common part here, which is 0.18. And if you do the subtraction, the answer is going to be 0.44, which is this portion of A. This is 0.44, this is 0.18, and the whole thing is 0.62 as per the given question. And yeah, we got the first answer. This is 0.44. Part A is done. Now let's look at the part B here. Okay. So we already have something like this is given. Let's try to make a sense of that. It says probability of A union B, the whole not, is 0.19. Now, to understand this, you have to first understand what is probability of A union B. Where is A union B? A or B. You will take this entire thing because it is A. You will take this because it is A and B both. And you will take this because it is B. So A union B is this entire blue shaded region. Okay. And when we say not, A union B not, it is everything except the blue shaded area. So A not B is going to be essentially the outside of both the circles, right? So that area is going to be 0.19. That's what they showed here as well. You see, that's the outside area. Okay. So having said that, if I now want to find out probability of A given not of B, we know this is a conditional probability. We want to find out the probability of A given that B, it is not B. Okay. So standard formula of conditional probability is simply like this: probability of A intersection B naught or B dash over probability of B naught. Now, what is the probability of not B? See, this entire area is B. So everything outside this is not B. So not B is 0.44 and 0.19. That is what is not B, because B is the circle. Everything outside that is not B. That is 0.44 plus 0.19. So let me write that this down here. This value is going to be 0.44. That is not B because that's a part of A, plus 0.19 because that is also not B because it is outside of B, right? Now, in a numerator, we have probability of A intersection B. So we want A and B not. Okay, it should be A and it should not be B, right? So it should be A, okay, and it should not be B. So I can't take 0.18 because it's a part of B as well, right? So I can't take this part here. So the answer has to be 0.44 for A and not B. I can't even take 0.19, right? Because I want it to be A. So I hope you get the point. This is 0.44, this value here. And then, yeah, you do the calculations and the final answer you will get is 0.69841. And you write down the answer to three significant figures, 0.698, and that is the answer for the second part of this question. I hope you followed this. This is a very important, nice, interesting question on probability. Link to this question is there in the description. Please feel free to check the description. We have our website, leadib.com. That's specialist website for IB diploma program. You can visit that for many more questions of math and a few other subjects as well.